Hey everyone, it's Linda. Today I thought I would share with you how I cut my fringe or my long bangs and what I call my disconnected sides. And the reason I choose not to do just the angle with the connection, because when I curl my hair, I don't end up with what I call the Farrah Fawcett cut. Not that there's anything wrong with the Farrah Fawcett cut if you want the Farrah Fawcett cut or that look, but that's not what I'm going for. I want something a little more modern, a little more edgy. And so let's just jump in. And the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to section my hair just above the ear. And I'm going to bring it out, and the part that's my bangs are going to fall out. I'm just going to hold it out to the side, and I'm going to trim a little bit of it off. I'm not going to cut a lot because I'm just trimming today. So I'm just going to cut a little bit off, maybe a 1/4 of an inch, and then I'm just going to cut up into it, just point cut a little bit. And I'm not going to blend that layer into the back. I'm going to let there be a little step. And I'm just going to do the same thing on the other side. Parting it just above the ear, bringing it out all together. I'm not going to section off this section. I'm just going to bring it out all together. Bring it around. Cut off a little bit, about a 1/4 of an inch. And again, point cutting. Now as for the bangs, I just go in and create a V. I think that's as much as I want. And you take your fingers and you clamp them onto the hair, and then you flip the hair around like that, keeping it flat. And I see I have a little more than I had last time, but that's okay. Then I'm going to go across and trim. And again, point cut to take off the blunt edges. And just let it go. And that's really all there is to it. And this is how I style this look. I just first off take the bangs and I curl them as if I'm going to curl a beachy wave, starting at the top and just starting to roll it down and then pull down on it. And then I grab my side, just grab it all together, and I sort of pull it toward the back. And again, like I'm going to do a beachy wave. And just pull down. But instead of letting it cool so this curl holds, I'm going to pull it out because all I want is some shape. I don't really want to curl. So I'm going to pull it out. And the same with the bang. Just pull it out. Now I grab the section behind my disconnected section, and I just more or less sort of smooth it down going under. And the same over here, grabbing this disconnected section, I'm going to pull it back. Starting up high like I'm going to do a beachy wave. And just pulling down. The bangs. This side of my hair is thinner than the other side of my hair. And remember, your hair, just like your eyebrows, the sides are not twins. They're not going to look alike. They're just sisters. So, and then again, I'm going to grab a section behind my disconnected section, and I'm just going to sort of curl that sort of under to smooth it a little bit. And I just take the curling iron, almost like a flat iron, and just go across the ends of my back a little bit just to smooth them down. I'm not even going to bother curling the back. This is a very relaxed look. And if you're not happy with something, you can just kind of come in and play with it a little bit until you're happy. And my bangs, I feel like I need those to look a little bit less flat in the front. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the curling iron and just curl this under a little bit, real close to the roots. I have a cowlick right here. And of course I have my scars, so the front of my hair, I spend more time with that than any other parts of my hair. So this is a really casual look. Again, if you want to do the beachy wave, you could. You could just straighten it and sort of curl the sides under. You could do a side bang if you like. It's a really versatile cut. So, as always, until next time, thanks for watching.